Hey, what's up YouTube? Cody Bonticu here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Nuxt 3 with Cypress. Cypress is my go-to end-to-end testing tool, and I've noticed after a quick Google search, I realized this content just doesn't really exist. So let's get at it. First thing, we're going to open our terminal. Then I'm going to do npx nuxi init, and let's just call this Cypress Nuxt. And what this is going to do is run Nuxt 3's initialization. And here now we can cd cypress nuxt. And I'm actually going to open up VS Code now. So here we are in our blank Nuxt project. I'm going to see here, and let's go ahead and do npm install. Okay, and now that we have that, let's just do npm run dev. Just verify that our project is in fact running. So here we are with our fresh Nuxt application. Easy. And now let's get some Cypress. To download Cypress, we'll run npm install Cypress and then -- save dev. This is just going to be a development dependency. Now that we have our Cypress installed, we can run npx cypress open, and that's going to build this little like Cypress viewer. For this, I'm going to just do end-to-end testing. We'll click here, and I don't know if you noticed, but on the side here, this setup just created our Cypress folder, and with it, these files. Continue. Now we're going to choose our browser, Chrome. And so let's just look into the folder and see what it created. And so here you can see it created a fixtures and support. And so on this initial thing, we can click create your first spec file. Here, let's do a create new spec. We'll call this spec.sci.js. And now we get to run spec. And again, now if we look back at our code base, here, I'll make this a little bigger for you. We now have this Cypress end-to-end spec.sci.js. So if we click in, we'll see a basic Cypress. There we go. Let me just make that a little bigger. Now we'll see our basic test. So if we look at our browser, it actually it's visiting that. So let's look back at our Nuxt instance. Nuxt defaults to localhost 3000, and we're going to pop that in. Save, and look at that. Before we even tab, it's already generated. And there we go. Cypress end-to-end is all set up with Nuxt. Hope you enjoyed.